Look at that.
Nice.
Peppermint ice skates.
Ooh, man, look.
I can't put them on.
Travel easel.
Hey, where's my dump truck? Wow. And
Mary Kay, you got a present back here to unwrap too.
Peppermint. Peppermint dress. Where's my dump truck I wanted? Mommy.
I don't think a dump truck was on your list, was it?
Mommy,
No, a dump truck wasn't on your list.
Mama, this is the bread. It was.
Oh, I thought it was a trash truck that was on your list.
Oh, I thought it was a trash truck.
I'm on the truck. I'm on the big dump truck.
It wasn't on your list, honey.
Can I open this present? It was on it.
No, you said a trash truck, a car carrier, and a bathtub toy. You got a present unwrapped from Santa Claus.
A stocking.
Wow, Douglas, that's a big Christmas.
I can't believe you found a monorail. Where did he find a monorail? What kind of monorail did he say it was, Lynn?
I got 2 monorails.
How?